Hey, pretty friends, it's Nancy, and I'm back with our tip of the week from Wreaths. Okay, guys, have you ever found yourself with your favorite ribbon and all of a sudden, oh no, I've run out of ribbon. I don't know exactly how much I have left. I don't know how big of a bow I can make with just this little leftover remaining piece of ribbon. Okay, so what I'm going to show you how to do is start without crunching numbers or having to divide or count how long your tail needs to be, etc., etc. We're just going to quickly put our ribbon down and use it all up, get maximum footage, get maximum usage out of whatever little bit there is left of that ribbon because it's your favorite and you don't want to get rid of it, right? Okay, so let me flip the phone down and I'm going to show you guys a super neat tip. Okay, so here we are. We have our little bit of ribbon that is left over. We're not sure exactly how much we have or, what kind of, I can make a bow with it. But then look, I have uneven tails. Oh, doggone it. I want to use this ribbon. I want to use every single inch of it, okay? So I'm going to show you guys how to do that right now. For starters, you take a big swig of your favorite drink. Just kidding, not really. For this particular method, I'm going to be using a bow maker, and my ribbon is not two-sided. It appears to be on the outside of. Okay. Apparently my microphone died, and I didn't know it while I was recording, so I recorded the rest of this video without knowing that. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your ribbon and fold it in half, pretty side out, and you're going to take it, and there I am just marking the halfway point. And like I said, we're going to go pretty side out and just put it down flat on your board, your bow maker. Your bow maker. I'm trying to keep it slow while apparently I yammer on throughout this video. But it's pretty side out, pretty side to the bottom. Okay. And I think I'm going to try to make some 5-inch loops with this. I'm going to pull down now and measure just to make sure that both of my sides are the same length. And remember, you don't have to flip or anything right here. Because your pretty side is out on the bottom, you're just going to bring it around, no flipping, and measure out to your 5-inch loop area. Bring your tail down to the front. And if your measurement is correct, you will do the same on the other side and bring another 5-inch loop around. And again, you will have the same size tails. No flipping involved. Now, but I think what I'm going to do, y'all know me, I got to go a little bit extra. I'm going to make the loops a little bit smaller here. I'm going to take them and make them down to about 3-inch loops, not tails. So we're going to come in pretty side down again. No twisting. We're going to do a 3-inch loop. And that will leave us some really long tails to go ahead and spin around and do those into more loops. So we can have a four loop bow. All right. So I've got 2 3-inch loops here. Now what you want to do is take your tails, and from this point it's going to operate just like a regular bow would. You're going to go ahead and spin it around. Okay, so you'll have pretty side down to the bottom, and bring your tail around, put it through the bow maker, and I'm going to go ahead and face this up towards you guys to the camera. And the same thing with the next bow, the next tail, you're going to flip it around and bring it up and make a 3-inch loop with that. And come up with this beautiful 4-loop 3-inch bow. And I absolutely love it. And we have no waste involved.
Thanks, guys, for joining me for this week's Tip of the Week.